By the way, there's a symbol that we're going to be using a lot. And so I'll just mention it now. We'll get into it seriously next time, or maybe even a little later. This triangle is a Greek capital delta. And it signifies subtraction. And it really is used to represent a change in a particular quantity. So if we had, here's our origin, say, if we have an object here at time 1, so here's our object, and it moves, and it's over here at time 2. We have some vector pointing to it now, R2. We say that the change in position, delta R, would be R2 minus R1, the vector difference. This is the change in R, delta R. It's almost always a final value of something minus an initial value of something. And it is, of course, since we've just been subtracting vectors, it's that vector, delta R, is going to be, in this case, R2 minus R1. And we'll see why that's important. When we start talking about velocity and things moving, we need to know where something moved from where to where and in what time in order to think about velocities. So we're going to use the symbol delta a lot. And when you see delta, you should think of difference, subtraction, final minus initial.